Today I'll be using these cheese balls to make some super delicious potato cheese balls. These are delicious cheesy snack. You can have them any time of the day. Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. You'll find the detailed recipe in the description box below. I have taken 6 potatoes, that is half a kg potato, which are boiled, peeled and grated. Once the potatoes have been grated, add half a teaspoon of salt and I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. The corn flour will act as a binding agent. Now mix all well and I'll slowly smash it all well so that there are no lumps. Mix it well and you get a nice potato dough. If there are any lumps in the potato, smash them well so that the end product will be nice smooth potato cheese balls. Now this is ready. I'll keep it aside for some time. And I have taken here 3 cheese cubes. Each cheese cube have been divided into 9 smaller pieces. I have used Amul processed cheese. So now let's make the potato cheese balls. I have taken some potato mixture. This is the size of a lemon and gently getting it together in the shape of a ball. This will ensure that there are no air pockets inside. Roll it round and then add a piece of cheese cube inside it and cover it with the potato mix. Seal it well so that there is no gaps and the cheese is well covered. This will ensure that the cheese does not ooze out when it's being fried. Roll it round into a smooth round ball. You need to make all of them in the same way. I have used processed cheese here. You can also use mozzarella cheese. So the cheese would melt much better after they are being fried. Only make sure that the cheese is well covered with the potato mix. Roll it well so that it is covered well from all sides. Now continue doing the same for the rest of all the mixture that is left. So I have rolled all of them and here it is. Next we have to prepare the dipping mixture. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of maida and a pinch of salt. I'll be adding little water at the time and making a smooth paste. Mix it well so that there is no lumps and add water as required till you get a running paste. It should not be too thin or too thick. This is the consistency, what it should be like. We'll keep this aside for some time and then we'll take these cheese balls. These are children's favorite cheese balls which are available in 10 rupees packet in shops. I have taken 1 bowl full of it and add it to a mixer grinder. I will just pulse it twice and the powder will be ready, and this would be our coating to roll the potato cheese balls. This cheesy coating will make the cheese balls even more tastier. It adds a little cheesy flavor from outside as well. Now we have both the coatings ready. Let's coat the cheese balls with them. Just stir the dipping mixture as the flour may settle down. You can also use breadcrumbs instead of the cheese ball mixture. To start coating, take the potato cheese ball which we had prepared earlier and dip it into the flour mixture. Roll it well so that it coats well. Drain off the excess and add it to the cheese ball powder. Coat it well too and then very lightly press it in your hands so that the powder sticks to the cheese balls. You can do this once or twice till you get a nice coating. These cheese balls taste best when served hot. So you need to prepare all of them in this way till here and keep it ready before you could start frying them. If you want to serve these for some parties or some gatherings, you can make them ahead, clear and freeze them. And then when you're ready to serve, just get them out of the freezer and fry them. So now I'll continue coating all of them and keep them ready before we could fry them. Though I have used processed cheese here in the filling inside, you can use mozzarella or cheddar cheese, whichever you prefer. You will get a melting effect when you use mozzarella cheese. So now these are all ready and I will keep it in the fridge for just 30 minutes to cool. So after cooling them for around 30 minutes, I have taken sufficient oil in a kadai. I have heated the oil sufficiently on medium flame and adding few of the cheese balls at a time. Once you have added the cheese ball, do not touch them for a minute. After that, keep moving them till you get a nice golden brown on all sides. This will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to get a nice color. By the time the cheese too would melt from inside. You can also use an appe pan to fry these if you do not intend deep frying them. That way you can fry them with less oil. Now these seems to be done. I will get them out. Fry all of them on medium flame. Once they are out from the oil, place them on a tissue paper so that the excess oil gets drained out. Serve the cheesy potato cheese balls hot with your favorite ketchup or chutney too. Fry the rest of it in the same way. Our delicious potato cheese balls are all ready. I hope you like the unique way of using the cheese ball powder for this coating. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.